Manufacturing, the cornerstone of economic growth. A country's journey toward development typically features a robust manufacturing sector, especially one driven by micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. With MSMEs contributing to half our imports and nearly a third of our GDP, their importance cannot be overstated. Now, let's delve into the government's policies to bolster manufacturing. The Make in India initiative, designed to attract investment, spark innovation, and build manufacturing infrastructure. The Industrial Corridor Development Program, a collaborative effort with state governments to create new industrial regions. Efforts to ease doing business through simplified procedures, digitized processes, and legal rationalization. The National Single Window System, offering a single platform for investor support. And the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, aimed at reducing logistics costs through integrated planning of infrastructure. But what about policies specifically for MSMEs? The Udyami Mitra portal enhances credit accessibility. MSME Sambandh monitors public procurement from MSMEs. MSME Samadhan resolves delayed payment issues. And the Digital MSME scheme provides cloud-based infrastructure for MSMEs. MSMEs, employing over 60 million people and contributing to 8% of India's GDP, are vital for the nation's economic development. With the recent growth of MSMEs and the government's supportive policies, the future of India's manufacturing sector looks promising.